Welcome to our tutorial series for Google Classroom. This time I'm going to show you how to create a class in Google Classroom. Okay, so let's go. The first step is, of course, to open google.com in our web browser. So we type the URL google.com. Then after opening google.com, we have to log in Google using our Google for Education account. Once we are already logged in, we are going to click the Google Apps icon at the upper right corner of the browser just beside our profile picture. Then we select the Classroom command. After selecting the Classroom command, we will be opening the Google Classroom dashboard, and from the dashboard on the upper right corner of the screen just beside the Google Apps button, we have the plus sign. We click the plus sign and we click create class. After clicking create class, a dialog box will be displayed in which we are going to enter our class name, section, subject, and room. We usually enter in the class name our grade level so that we can identify our class by grade. And then their section, we also enter the section and the subject we are teaching for that particular class. And of course, the room that we are using for the class. After defining the details of our class name section, then we click create. Then Google Classroom now will create a class for us. After clicking create class or after creating the class, the class dashboard will be displayed on your screen. So that's how you create a class in Google Classroom. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and see you around.